presentation is a service audit of UP for the purpose of MKG211 Task 2 and has been created by Shae Turner. Introduction. UpBank was founded by Dominic Pym and Grant Thomas, who after collaborating on numerous projects together, decided to work towards making banking even easier for people. They teamed up with Bendigo Bank and in 2018 became Australia's first live neobank. But what is a neobank? A neobank is a direct bank that is 100% digital and reaches customers on mobile apps and personal computer platforms only, without the operation of traditional physical branch networks. Despite not following traditional banking operations, UpBank still fits within the banking, finance and insurance sector and is an information processing service. Advances in technology is the biggest transforming force behind the rise of neobanks. UP offers individual banking services, currently in the form of a checking account for general transactions, as well as the ability to create unlimited saver accounts. Target market. The typical target market of UP are millennials and Gen Z, which means those between the ages of approximately 20 to 40. This demographic accounts for a massive 86% of users. This is due to their attitude towards technology, being that they are willing to embrace technology in whatever situation is available to them. Berkop suggests that Gen Y are the children of globalisation, being the first generation to grow up with so much technology, and Armstrong et al. Discusses Gen Z's fluency with digital technologies as if it is what they live and breathe. More specifically, UP targets consumers who are seeking the benefits offered in its ease of banking through technology. In studies by the Australian Bureau of Statistics between 2014 to 2017, it showed banking as the most common reason for internet users to be accessing the internet, equal to social media. UP consumers are also ambitious, eager to manage their finances effectively, and though they might not be ready for a mortgage, they are endeavouring to save funds and enjoy being able to visibly see their achievements when they do through the app's interface. Current service offerings. We will be dissecting UP's current service offerings, first by reviewing the flower of service, which identifies the supplementary services attached to a core service. The core service UP provides is individual banking. Information. Extensive information is available on UP's website and on social media. Consultation. Consultation is not something currently offered by UP. Order taking. Order taking takes form in the setting up of an account with UP, which is rapid, taking less than 3 minutes to do. This process is far lengthier to do through physical banks, setting UP apart from those competitors. Hospitality. Hospitality is UP's strongest form of supplementary service. UP have a dedicated support team who manage their in-app support services. With quick response times and personability and humour in their interactions, customers become satisfied with their support and aroused by humour. UP's extensive app features are an example of hospitality, as they are constantly innovating and improving their service. Unlimited saver accounts and the ability to customise goals, automatic transfers and even the emoji to represent your saver is an exciting feature for consumers. Other features include spending insights, pay splitting, budget tracking and so many more. Safekeeping. Consumers' funds are an intangible asset that need to be protected. The app is locked by either Face ID or passcode, and there are in-app controls where you can access your card details, enable or disable your card, and configure how it can be used. Exceptions. Once again, the in-app support services provide an avenue to express dissatisfaction or make suggestions for improvement, and this exemplifies exceptions. However, some consumers might prefer the opportunity to receive face-to-face support. Billing. There are no monthly fees to have an account with Up, which is another point of differentiation from most competing physical banks. There are also no overseas purchase fees. The only billing that may occur is overdrawn interest fees. Payment. Due to their direct access to user bank accounts, Up can direct debit any overdraw fees. Next, we will look at the expanded marketing mix, which are the additional elements marketers address to develop strategies for services. These include process, physical environment, and people. Up are committed to continuously evolving Up's processes with designated teams for specific areas of their company, such as marketing, technology, design, and support, ensuring effective service delivery. The physical environment for Up, being a digital-only service, is the app's interface. The design team ensure the app is aesthetically pleasing and easy to navigate. We will go into greater depth on this shortly when we discuss the Suvaction system. Despite being a low-contact service, the people of Up still need to interact with their customers, and they do this through in-app support. Their demeanour plays an integral part in the service experience, and as earlier discussed, they interact in a fun and energetic way, matching the energy of the entire brand. Finally, we will now look at the Suvaction system. The Suvaction system is a breakdown of the service operations and service delivery and the relationship of the components. The service operations is the technical core which customers do not see. This is backstage, where Up's team of designers, engineers and creatives work to continually release new features and better the service. Front stage is the delivery of the service, which in Up's case is exclusively through the app. The prominent colour for Up's design, as you may have noticed, is bright orange. The colour orange is energetic and can portray playfulness and stimulate excitement. This visual, along with the other aesthetics such as company logos to identify transactions, encourages consumers to be enthusiastic about using the service. Having reviewed the current service offerings, we can now determine some strengths and weaknesses within Up's service model. Strengths. The physical environment or front stage of Up is the app, which is aesthetic and functional. Up shows exceptional hospitality through its wide range of features and personalisation. Weaknesses. Up only offers banking through a transactional account and saver accounts, which is extremely limited compared to competitors. There are no physical branches for Up Bank, and the only support available is via technology. Opportunities. Up could look at extending their core service offerings, such as introducing credit services, and they could also introduce a face-to-face support option. Next steps. In Task 3, we will further analyse the service marketing mix and suggest recommendations for improvement.